Water heaters are no longer just a luxury. They've become a daily necessity. Whether you're camping outdoors, living off-grid, upgrading your home, or simply tired of running out of hot water at the worst possible moment, choosing the right tankless water heater can completely change your experience. From instant hot water to energy efficiency and advanced safety protections, modern water heaters are designed to give comfort without compromise. In today's video, we are going to explore 4 powerful and very different tankless water heaters, each designed for a specific lifestyle and usage scenario. Some are perfect for outdoor adventures and camping, others are built for indoor home use, while some focus on maximum efficiency and smart technology. As we go through each water heater, pay close attention to the features, safety systems, performance, and ideal use cases. Because at the end of this video, I want you to tell me in the comments which one you think is the best. And if you enjoy detailed, honest, and easy to understand tech breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos like this. Now, let's start with water heater number 1. Water heater number 1, outdoor propane tankless water heater, 6-liter portable gas model. Our first water heater is designed with mobility, outdoor use, and instant comfort in mind. This is a portable propane tankless water heater that focuses on delivering hot water anywhere, anytime, without relying on electricity from the grid. One of the first things you'll notice about this unit is its ultra-slim and lightweight design. The compact body, combined with a foldable handle, makes it extremely easy to carry, hang, or store. This is the kind of heater you can take with you for camping trips, RV living, cabins, barns, boats, or even outdoor pet washing. Despite its small size, this water heater delivers instant and continuous hot water. There's no waiting for a tank to fill up and no preheating required. The moment you turn on the tap, hot water starts flowing at your selected temperature. With a flow rate of 1.58 gallons per minute, it's perfectly suited for outdoor showers, cleaning tasks, and light utility use. Another impressive feature is its low water pressure startup requirement. It can activate with as little as 2.5 psi, which makes it ideal for off-grid locations where water pressure may not be very strong. Safety is clearly a major focus here. This heater includes a 6-in-1 protection system, which covers overheating protection, low water flow protection, dry combustion protection, anti-freezing protection, high water pressure protection, and flame failure protection. These built-in safeguards help ensure stable and secure operation in various outdoor conditions. The heater runs on a standard propane tank and uses battery-powered electronic ignition, meaning you don't need a fixed electrical connection. This makes it extremely versatile for remote areas and temporary setups. Overall, this first water heater is all about freedom, portability, and instant outdoor comfort. It's not designed for full home use, but for camping, RVs, cabins, and outdoor needs, it delivers reliable performance with impressive safety features. Water heater number 2, Rainin Natural Gas Indoor Tankless Water Heater, Gen 2. Moving on to water heater number 2, we step into the world of indoor residential comfort and modern convenience. This tankless water heater is designed specifically for home use, running on natural gas and providing on-demand hot water for multiple taps at the same time. With a maximum flow rate of 3.6 gallons per minute, it can comfortably support daily household activities, such as showering, washing dishes, and kitchen use simultaneously. One standout feature here is the temperature stability technology. Sudden temperature fluctuations can ruin a shower experience, especially for children or elderly users. This engineer is designed to maintain a steady temperature without unexpected spikes or drops, creating a smooth and comfortable water flow every time. The unit comes with a clear LED digital display allowing precise temperature monitoring and control. What makes it even more user-friendly are the one-click preset modes. These specialized modes are designed for different daily needs, such as dishwashing, fruit cleaning, infant bathing, and elderly use, eliminating guesswork and manual adjustments. From an efficiency standpoint, this water heater only heats water when it's needed. This means there's no standby energy loss like traditional tank heaters. As a result, it supports energy-efficient living while delivering consistent performance. Its compact wall-mounted design makes it perfect for apartments, small homes, or renovation projects where space matters. Instead of taking up valuable floor space, it fits neatly on the wall while still delivering strong output. The construction quality is also worth noting. The internal components are designed to reduce heat loss and improve efficiency, while the included venting solution simplifies installation for indoor environments. This second heater is clearly built for people who want comfort, stability, smart features, and space-saving indoor installation, making it a strong option for everyday home use. Water heater number 3. EcoSmart Eco 24 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Now we come to water heater number 3, which takes a different approach by focusing on electric power, precision control, and extreme energy efficiency. This electric tankless water heater is built with self-modulating smart technology, meaning it continuously adjusts energy usage based on how much hot water is needed at any given moment. This intelligent operation helps avoid wasted energy while maintaining consistent temperature output. One of the most impressive claims of this unit is its 99.8% energy efficiency rating, which places it among the most efficient tankless water heaters available. Instead of storing hot water, it heats only what you use, exactly when you need it. The heater features a sleek and compact design with a digital temperature display. Users can fine-tune the water temperature in 1-degree increments, allowing for precise control and a customized experience. With a maximum flow rate reaching up to 5.8 gallons per minute under optimal conditions, this unit is capable of handling demanding residential needs, including large tubs, multi-fixture usage, and high-demand households, depending on incoming water temperature and electrical capacity. It's designed to perform even in cold climates, where incoming water temperatures can be significantly lower. This makes it suitable for a wide range of regions and environments. Another important highlight is its long-term reliability. The unit is manufactured with durability in mind and is backed by a strong warranty on electronics and heating components, showing confidence in its engineering. This water heater is ideal for users who prefer electric systems, value precision control, and want maximum efficiency without relying on gas. Water heater number 4. Ferrimo Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, 16-liter indoor model. Finally, we have water heater number 4, a natural gas tankless unit designed for high output, durability, and indoor residential performance. This heater delivers a strong flow rate of 4.21 gallons per minute, making it capable of supporting multiple water outlets simultaneously. Whether it's bathroom and kitchen use at the same time or multiple showers running close together, this unit is built to keep up with demand. Temperature control is handled through a digital Fahrenheit display, allowing easy monitoring and adjustment. The heater offers a wide temperature range, giving users flexibility for different seasons and preferences. Construction quality is a major strength here. The heater uses stainless steel housing combined with an oxygen-free water tank, which improves heat retention, reduces energy loss, and enhances overall durability. This also contributes to quieter operation and efficient combustion. Safety is another key focus. The unit includes multiple protection systems such as flame failure protection, overheating protection, and anti-freezing protection, ensuring stable operation and peace of mind during daily use. Its space-saving tankless design allows for indoor installation without occupying large areas, making it suitable for homes, small cabins, and apartments where efficiency and performance are both important. Overall, this fourth heater balances power, safety, and solid construction, making it a strong contender for indoor natural gas applications. Now that we've looked at all 4 water heaters, let's briefly compare them based purely on features and use cases.
Water heater number 1 stands out for portability and outdoor freedom. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for camping, RVs, cabins, and off-grid. Water heater number 2 focuses on indoor comfort, stability, and smart presets, making it ideal for families and modern homes with daily hot water needs. Water heater number 3 is all about electric efficiency and precision control, offering advanced self-modulating technology and extremely high energy efficiency. Water heater number 4 delivers high flow rate performance and durable construction, making it suitable for indoor environments that need strong, consistent hot water output. Each of these water heaters serves a different type of user, and the best one really depends on how and where you plan to use it. Now it's your turn. Which water heater do you think is the best? Are you more interested in portability, efficiency, smart controls, or high output? Let me know your choice in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because more in-depth videos like this are coming very soon.